we are ready now to start making products for your software. It's pretty straightforward. One thing, contact your support guy, typically Jeff. If you want us to put in the products for you, we will send you an Excel form where you can fill out, basically put all your products in that Excel sheet in a particular format, and our developer can put the products in for you in the basically on the back end. We're going to do this video anyway, so you know how to do it, because even if we put your products in for you, you're going to have new products, you're going to want to edit products, and a lot of people do decide to put the products in on their own for the experience, learn how to do it, and that way also you can do it exactly how you want it done. There's a few different options when you do this, and it's just a good idea to know how to do it well, and to do it on your own to get that experience. Go to that little gear icon. We're going to hop into the settings, and we're going to go down to products, third from the bottom. It's going to automatically pull up the products that you already have in the software. You can sort those by name, description, units, price categories. Right now, we're going to talk about how to add a new product. Assuming that you've already set up your price categories and your product groups from previous videos, you're ready to go. You're just going to hit new. Let's walk through a quick one here real quick. Let's put in the basic Carrera. Let's call it a Carrera Marble. So you name it. You can put down a SKU number. A lot of people have SKU numbers for all their products, but I would say a lot of people also just have SKU numbers for sinks and faucets. You don't have to put a SKU number. Definitely for sinks, because there's so many, it's a great idea to put the SKU number. Again, it's optional. I would put in a description. A lot of times how people use this description field is they'll put just the name of the product. Let's say it's New Caledonia or Venetian Gold. Under the description, you would actually put the material type. And the idea here is that on your proposal, this description is actually going to show up when you pull that product in there. So sometimes you'll know as you use the software if you even want a description in there, because you might put in a custom description per proposal, or you may put in a lengthier description depending on what the product is. Once you've described the product, and typically again that's the material type, you're going to decide how you're going to charge for that particular product. Are you going to charge per product? So with a sink, you'd charge by each sink. So in that case, you would select each. Most countertop companies charge by the square foot for granite, quartz, marble. And so in this case, because our product is Carrera Marble, I'm going to select square foot pricing. I'm also going to select if it's taxable. Is it taxable? Again, most companies on their actual stone products, it's not taxable. We're going to select no, and we'll get into the sales tax portion of building products and putting sales tax into proposals in a later video. Right now for this product, we're going to go taxable, no, and then we're going to make the product active, and we're going to put in the group that it's in. Carrera Marble, let's just say this is group 4, and it's a natural stone. So I've got it in 2 separate groups. I could have another group here that says marble specifically. In this case, in this demo software here, we're just going to put it in these 2 groups. And then I have the option of putting in the cost. Let's say it cost me $15 a square foot. I'll put that in here. That's optional. It's a good idea because you'll get an idea of what margins you want to achieve when you're building out the pricing. And then you can also select a vendor. We don't have any vendors created, and that was in a previous video. Again, that's optional. If you do want to add a vendor or tag this product to a particular vendor, assuming you've created a vendor, it will have a box here and you can just select which one is relevant to this product. Now we're going to put in our pricing. In the previous video where you set up your price categories, you know from that video that these boxes here are generated by the price categories that you created. So in this software, I've got 3 price categories. I've got my standard price, which is a category that's automatically generated by the software. It's default. It's considered retail. My standard price, I'm going to say, and again, I'm charging by the square foot for this product, so I'm going to make my square foot price $65. It's going to give me a margin here based on my cost, and then Commercial price, I'm going to say is 55. Wholesale is 60. Throws out my margin based on my cost, and I have now created a product. Took a while because I was explaining to you how to do it, but as you create a few products, you'll probably be able to create a product in about 20, maybe 30 seconds, depending on how much information you have to go track down, pricing or whatever information you're wanting to add. Really simple, easy process. I'm going to save this product because we're going to use that product when we build a proposal in one of the future videos, and you'll see that pull up basically the way that we made it. I'm going to show you another example. See that product I just created, Carrara Marble? I put it down as granite. Well, it's not granite, right? So I want to edit that. So I can just hop right back into that product. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to put in the description marble. I can save that, and now it's edited, it's correct, and I see my different pricings per pricing category. Very simple. That's how you set up a product. We're going to have a couple more product videos. Definitely go ahead and watch those, and we'll show you some different scenarios that you can do with products and how to edit products, inline edit. Thanks for watching.